Hello class, this is Mr. Avila back with our Unit 4 Practice Test B review. Looking at question number 5, a rubber bouncy ball is dropped from a height of 114 inches. After each bounce, the ball returns to a height lower than the previous height. After the 17th bounce, the ball reaches a max height of 2.57 inches. Kind of the idea is this: you drop a ball from the air and every time it hits the floor, boom, it bounces. And every time it bounces a little bit lower than the previous time. And so after 17 bounces, it's now 2.57 inches. Find the growth factor and create a function for this situation. So we're going to start with our initial amount times growth factor to the power of x formula. That's going to be 114, the initial height, times b, which is our growth factor, which we don't know, to the power of x. Now we do know we don't have an x value, but we do know that after 17 bounces, the height of the ball is going to be 2.57 inches. That is 114 times b to the power of 17 is equal to 2.57. We're going to eliminate the 114 dividing by 114 on both sides. So we end up with b to the power of 17 is equal to 2.57 divided by 114. To eliminate the power of 17, we do a 17th root on both sides, leaving us with b is equal to 2.57 divided by 114, all to the power of 1 over 17. Okay, we're going to find that value of b on our calculator. We're going to have to type that in. It's going to be a little tricky to type in, so follow along with us. That is 2.57 divided by 117. Got to push that right arrow to the power of 1 over 17. It's 114 to the power of 1 over 17. So shift 6, 1 over 17. And we get 0.800. We're going to go ahead and call that 0.8. So the function is going to be f of x is equal to the initial height, which is 114 times 0.8 to the power of x. That number is the 0.8 there. So now that we have the function, we can now answer the question, how many bounces will it take for the ball to be below 10 inches? Go to Desmos to find that. So we're going to go ahead and type in the function that we created, which was 114 times 0.8 to the power of x. And then we're going to make a table to see how long it takes to be under 10 inches. So 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounces, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bounces, 11 bounces. Looks like at 11 we finally get under 10 inches, 9.7. So after how many bounces will the ball first be below 10 inches? We would say 11 bounces. After 11 bounces, 11 bounces. Use the table on Desmos. We use the table on Desmos. Okay, that's the answer for number 5. Let us know if you have any questions. Moving on to the last one.